Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'm showing a Spanish omelette recipe but in healthy style. So let's start. Here I'm using 1 boiled potato, half teaspoon red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, add salt according to your taste. Usually in omelette recipe, Spanish omelette recipe, they use fried potatoes, but today I make an healthy recipe, that's why I use the boiled potato. Add onion 1 cup, 2 teaspoon green chili. You can also add more green chili, but already I am adding a red chili powder, that's why I use 2 teaspoon green chili, and mix them well. After that, add an egg, and then I'm using garlic and ginger paste around 1 teaspoon. So now mix them well again, and now spread it out on the non-stick fry pan. I'm using the mustard oil. You can also use the olive oil, but skip the soya bean oil. So hope you understand the process. And now just cover it well. No need to flip the opposite side, because here the steaming process will cook the upper side, and after 15 minutes later it will be ready. One thing guys, you must note, you need to cook it in medium to low flame.